Aho, brothers of the axe. It's Joe here. It's Saturday, springtime here in eastern Pennsylvania, and we're about halfway through April, and it is 43 degrees this Saturday morning. So I'm out here freezing my nuts off in the shed, doing a little work today on my buddy Kevin from Axe Junkies axe. If anybody saw the last video unboxing the Swedish axes, Kevin sent me these two Montreal patterns and this nice Hultsbruck Yankee pattern in exchange for sending him back a completed axe. And we were going back and forth and looking at what he currently had, and he was thinking he might want a jersey, and he still might get a jersey off me. But I think the immediate need for him was a boy's axe. So I've been working on, and I will be splicing in some footage of doing the edge work and the bluing on this Collins, nice Collins, probably from the 50s or 60s, 2 1/4 pound boy's axe head. Real nice shape, this one. Not a lot of damage on the pole, just very, very minor. Nice crisp stamp on it too. But you know, did a couple rounds of bluing on it, polished the edge up nice up to like a 600 grit, and got a pretty nice. I mean, I don't typically go for hair popping sharp, but definitely enough to curl hardwood, that's for sure. So got the edge done, got the head prepped and ready to go on a handle. And for a handle, in lieu of making one, Kevin drop shipped this really nice 24-inch Whiskey River boy's axe handle, and it is really nice, really good grain, as to be expected from Whiskey River. No inclusions, no weirdness at all. Totally straight grain, and I really like the fact that they keep the knob end on the handle, which is cool. And I think we're going to keep that. We're going to send that back up to Kevin with the knob end on it. But very ample tongue, more than enough to seat this down nicely. And they do a nice job, too, of giving you plenty of meat here to fit the head into. So we're going to have to work to get that head fitted on. And I'm not going to go through that whole process. We've done that a number of times now. So I'm going to try to keep videos going forward you know, under maybe the 20-25 minute mark, because I don't think anybody wants to sit here and watch an hour-long video of me yammering on as I fit an axe head. But correct me if I'm wrong. If you want to see an hour-long video of me yammering on, go ahead and drop a comment. So yeah, I'm gonna get this fitted on, and I'll get back to you guys when we're, you know, a little further down. But this is going to be a really nice truck axe for Kevin, and I'm very excited to get this project done for him. And I think maybe what we'll do is we'll the next project we look at is maybe throw in one of these Montreal patterns on a 19-inch. I think I'm going to probably go with this one. I'm going to probably keep this one here. It's got a really nice crisp stamp. And then I might hang and sell the other one. All right, well, I'm going to get working on this, and I will get back to you guys.
I don't wanna slow Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward
Guys, I usually wait until after the head is hung to put the final edge and sharpen on it, but we were waiting on this Whiskey River handle to ship, so I did all the metal work on the axe beforehand. Tape your blades, guys, if you're trying to hang a sharp axe, because as I was fitting this head down, I kind of slipped, and I didn't luckily hit the edge, but I got in a rush and forgot to tape the blade up, and almost dinged my hand on a sharp blade. So it's kind of obvious, but I'm guilty of it just as much as anybody. Don't get in a rush, especially when you're messing around with power tools, bandsaws, sanders, things like that, sharp blades. Don't get into a rush. Think about what you're doing, because I almost had a not the best Saturday. We would have been looking at some stitches more than likely. So yeah, don't get in a rush. Take your time when you're doing this stuff. And Getting there, guys. Getting close. All right, guys. So I got the head down to where I think I'm on my last fit before wedging. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to fit the wedge. Whiskey River provided this. I believe this is poplar. Looks like poplar. Nice, really, really meaty, huge poplar wedge. Way overkill for this boy's axe. So we're going to have to trim it. And when you trim a wedge, you definitely don't want to trim it to the length, pardon me, you don't want to trim it to the width of the handle. You want to trim it to the width of the eye, because the eye is typically going to be a little bit longer than the handle. So what I usually do is get it set up, on the eye, in the middle of the eye where it's going to sit. And I usually give myself a little extra. Mark the wedge. And then I'll take it over to the bandsaw. And when I cut, what I'll do is I will cut on the slightest angle outward like that, so that I have a little bit of a taper. Because I'd rather have a little bit more spilling out over the ends and just kind of clean it up a little bit with a razor, than not have enough and not have it span the length of the eye. So yeah, I'm going to run this through the bandsaw real quick and wedge it, and after that we will take a look at oiling it. All right, get back to you guys in a minute. One more thing to add. So I went on the bandsaw, I trimmed it, gave myself a little bit of a taper. As you can see, that's not quite square. And what I usually do too is I usually take it on the sander, but it's not worth it to go and set the camera up for it. But I'll just throw a little bit of a chamfer on the corners of the wedge just to help it go in a little smoother. And you don't have to go crazy, but just take the hard edge off these corners. And you can use a belt sander, or you can use a rasp, or file, or even sandpaper really would work too. And then for something like a double bit where it's the same on either side, it's really not too big of a deal. But for something like a single bit where the kerf is going to want to pinch a little bit in the front, usually what I try to do is thin out. Like if I know the wedge is going to go this way, what I'll usually do is I'll throw an arrow like that, and I'll usually come in and kind of thin out a little bit more on the front, just so that I can get some deeper penetration with the wedge, because the kerf will not want to expand as much in the front of the eye as it will the back. All right, guys, so the wedge went in there really nice. Got some nice spread there on the handle. Filled out the kerf really nicely. And this is where I just kind of come in and clean up, all the raggedness from where I ran the bandsaw over it to trim it flush. And the top of the handle is kind of a little crooked, so I might chuck this up in the vise and just rasp it to get it nice and straight. But yeah, this is going to be a nice swinging axe. All right, I'm going to do a little bit more work off camera, and once I'm ready to throw a coat of oil on this, I will get back with you guys. All right, guys, so we're wedged, flushed up the top. Man, this thing is a really, really nice combination. Yeah, these 24-inch Whiskey River handles are very, very premium. I know this wasn't cheap. But man, they really do a nice job. They really, really do. The last Whiskey River I got was probably 3 or 4 years ago, and these new ones are even thinner. Very whippy. Feels like very whippy. Really nice and thin. Nice generous palm swell. Let's throw some oil on this thing. Now I will probably do 3, 4, maybe even 5 coats of oil on this, and then I will seal it with my my axe wax that I make. Really nice, generous amount of oil there on the kerf. And my wife is going to love the fact that I smell like boiled linseed oil when I go back in the house tonight. That is her favorite smell. Just kidding. Man, that is nice. That is a nice package. That's what she said. Sorry. This is going to be a sweet truck rig for Kevin. And I'll further refine that edge just a little bit before we get this shipped out. I'm going to apply this boiled linseed oil in thin coats over the next couple days. This Collins has that nice profile to it. Good, relatively high center line on this axe. Not quite as convex of a center line as a Kelly, but still a nice old axe. Really nice stamping on this guy. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but this is actually going back home to Connecticut. So it started its life in Connecticut, and hopefully it finishes its life in Connecticut. Hopefully Kevin enjoys many, many, many years of swinging this axe. Cool. Well, thanks for coming along on this one with me, guys. And Kevin, if or / when you watch this, best of luck to you off-roading with this axe. Hopefully it's by your side for many, many miles on the trail. many campfires. No. Best of everything to you. Best of everything to all you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.